Best deals. 1. Casserole. The strong material is corrosion resistant, scratch resistant, it's strong and durable, offers longevity. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Tadka pan. Heat quickly and evenly, so high heat is rarely necessary. Extra thick 2.5 mm tri-ply stainless steel heats quickly and evenly. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Idli maker. Made from premium stainless steel with a mirror finish for durability and aesthetic appeal. Thatte idli plates feature a non-stick surface for easy release and hassle-free cleaning. Equipped with cool-to-touch handles for safe and comfortable lifting. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Cake pan. This premium aluminum pan features a unique fluted design that results in a beautifully baked cake with an evenly browned crust and moist interior every time. Pan delivers beautiful bakery quality results with minimal mess. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Cookware set. Made of tough construction with a 3-layered bottom of 8 mm thickness. This prevents food burning and sticking issues. Thus, it is easy to clean and maintain, with capsule bottom is 100% food safe. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Stackable container. Made of high-quality stainless steel. This set comes with stainless steel lid to trap heat and moisture. There is air vent to each container to release extra steam pressure. Set is stackable and can use for multiple things like steam, stack leftover food, mixing food. It's easy to handle and safe to use without any hassle. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Canister. Crafted from durable stainless steel with a mirror-polished finish that adds a touch of sophistication to any kitchen. Smooth stainless steel surface resists stains, won't absorb odors. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Ghee container. Easy to clean and wash, they have very exotic silver shining. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Strainer pot. Made with 304 grade stainless steel, built from rust-resistant, food-safe 304 stainless steel for superior durability, hygiene and long-term use. Tempered glass laid with steam vent locks in moisture. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Tope. Even heat distribution enables fast cooking, which helps in preserving 85% of nutrients. Healthier dishes, for show. 3 layers of metals from base to rim. Scratch and rust resistant surface. Aesthetically designed for enhanced safety and convenience. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Plates. Keeps food items separate and flavors intact. Polished finish. Adds an elegant touch to any dining setting. Rust resistant. Maintains its pristine condition with regular use. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Puttu maker. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this puttu maker resists rust and cracking, ensuring it remains durable and reliable for long-term use without losing its performance. The flat bottom ensures uniform heat distribution, cooking the puttu evenly. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Rice drainer set. This invention is a device which can be used for fixing a lid on the mouth of the cooking pan. It helps in reducing having risk elements of direct filtering. Drainer helps by putting rice and water directly in a filter pan and getting filtered. Putting rice and water in such filter pan is much laborious and time-taking. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Lunch box. Made from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel, this lunchbox ensures health and hygiene by providing a safe, toxin-free storage option for your meals. This food container allows you to easily pack a lunch for you and your kids. This is great for meal planning and portion control. Highly durable steel lunch box and resistance to corrosion. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Cooker. The 2.5 mm thick body of the pressure cooker ensures even heating. This prevents loss of nutrients and vitamins in steam. Makes your dishes tastier by preserving the natural colors and flavors. Special safety features such as lead-free safety valve, controlled gasket release system and pressure-locked safety lid give your utmost protection and convenience. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Milk can. The premium quality stainless steel construction guarantees durability, features a leak-proof lid with an airtight gasket ring, ensuring no spills or leaks. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Oil dispenser. A perfect multipurpose storage container. Can be used for oil, ghee, etc. Lightweight, durable, have easy open lids, easy to clean. It typically comes with a lid to keep the ghee fresh and prevent it from spilling. It has premium knob to hold the lid and it comes with stainless steel spoon as well. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Water container. The elegant look of stainless steel makes this an item for display at social gatherings, parties and even in the break room at work. A great investment for any domestic or commercial kitchen. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Kadai. Even heat distribution enables fast cooking which helps in preserving 85% of nutrients. Healthier dishes, for show. Aesthetically designed for enhanced safety and convenience. Perfect for daily use and urban lifestyle. 3 layers of metals from base to rim. Scratch and rust resistant surface. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Handy. Tri-ply sandwich bottom is made of 3 layers of metals. Durable, scratch and rust resistant. No dents or bulging. Prevents burning of food up to 90%. Prevents food from sticking to the surface. So, no cleaning hassles. Even heat distribution enables fast cooking which helps in preserving food nutrients. Healthier dishes, for show. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Ice bucket. Built with premium grade stainless steel, which is durable. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Vessel. Comes with a curved copper plated base that helps distribute heat evenly and quickly throughout the surface. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Serving casserole. Made with outer material PP in an inner body of 304 high-grade stainless steel, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. Easily removable container and lids for convenient cleaning and maintenance. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Tawa. Tri-ply stainless steel cookware retains the advantages of cooking on stainless steel surfaces. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Container. Made from high-quality polished stainless steel, the container is sturdy, rust-resistant, and features an elegant design with deep silver lines. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Mug. Is handy and can be stored in kitchen shelf and cupboards very easily. It is safe for children too. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Idli cooker. Professionally manufactured using heavy gauge stainless steel. Long-lasting and cooling reverted Bakelite handle. Bright mirror polish, easy to wash and clean, anti-rust and hygienic. Each piece has an eye-catching design. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Lathe. It can also be used for steam purpose. Lightweight and easy to store. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Handy. This hammered finish handy will give you a perfect dining experience. It will add gloom. Product link is given in the 29th link.